After having understood the problems that one faces and taking care of those problems, one moves on to find index numbers. There are various methods to prepare index numbers, which are classified as unweighted and weighted index numbers. This video, the focus is on the construction of unweighted or simple index numbers. In such index numbers, all the items of the series are given equal importance or equal weightage. So let's understand how unweighted index numbers are prepared. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood the meaning, features, uses and limitations of index numbers. Also the problems that one faces while constructing the index numbers. Now we shall move on to the methods of constructing index number. So let's get started. There are two methods of constructing index numbers. One is unweighted and the other is weighted. Unweighted index numbers are those where all the items are given equal importance. So they are constructed by simple aggregative method and simple average of price relative. So we shall concentrate on these two methods of calculating unweighted index numbers. In unweighted index numbers, the index number is equal to the sum of prices for the year for which index number is to be found, divided by the sum of actual prices for the base year. So the two methods are simple aggregative method. The formula is P01 is equal to summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. P0 is the prices that exist in the base year, P1 prices that exist in the current year. Second method is simple average of price relative method. Here you find summation of P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N. Now have a look at the illustration. You need to construct a simple index number using simple aggregative method from the following data on the prices of commodities that existed in 2000 and in 2008, where 5 commodities are given as A, B, C, D and E. Have a look at the solution. You need to make a table with 3 columns. First column is the commodities. Second column is prices of these commodities that exist in 2000. Third is prices of these commodities that existed in 2008. You need to simply have a summation of P0, which is prices of the base year, and simply have a summation of prices that exist in the current year, sigma P1. And then apply the formula. P0 is sigma P1 by sigma P0 into 100. Substituting the values and after its calculation one finds that the answer is 148.27. it implies that there is a net increase of 48.27% in the price index number in 2008 in comparison to 2000. Now have a look at this illustration. For the similar information, that is commodities prices in 1990 and prices in 2000 are given for 5 commodities. You need to construct an index for 2000 taking 1990 as base year using simple average of price relative method. To find index number by simple average of price relative method, you need to make a table with 4 columns. Column 1, commodities. Column 2, prices that existed in 1990, the base year. Column 3, prices in 2000, which is the current year. And fourth is price relative, which you need to find. And how do we find price relative? It is P1 by P0 into 100. P1 is price of the current year, P0 price of the base year. So let us have a look at the first case. P1 is 15, P0 is 10. So it is 15 by 10 into 100 and you get 150. I hope you have understood the unweighted method of calculating index numbers. It's very simple. Keep practicing. Next time we shall discuss the weighted index numbers. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.